Go on for my ears corner. Make sure someone look copper color and me on one shade. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Welcome to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean family. For today's video, if you guys can't already tell by the title, it is going to be another Get Ready With Me in Jamaican Patois. Now, this will be my third Get Ready With Me in Jamaican Patois. So if you're new, the whole concept of this video is just me doing my makeup or doing this makeup look just straight Jamaican patois. Okay, well, not straight, because I do tend to go in and out of standard English and Jamaican patois because I just my naturally talk. So yeah, if you are not used to Jamaican patois, this video will be very difficult for you. I can't even tell you to watch it with subtitles because YouTube may not be so very good at translating Jamaican patois. So good luck to everybody that doesn't speak Jamaican patois. You can just watch me do this brown makeup look. You new? Make sure you subscribe to the channel before you even get into the video. And that's how I represent the Caribbean and weird things. That is basically it before we go into the video. And also, I want to look for my Buju Banton t-shirt. I did not get to go to the Buju concert because I'm already at Jamaica for Carnival. So hopefully I get to go for Reggae Sumfest. But somebody just want to show my t-shirt because they don't know so what I represent everywhere we go. Alright, also if you want details for this wig, I did a video on this wig. I might upload this video before I upload the video for this wig, so just stay tuned. Make sure you have your post notifications on so that you can see when I post the video for the styling and slayage of the wig. Alright, I done talk. Let's get straight into the video. As usual, my lip them dry and ish, and I'm just gonna go straight into this video. So this video is going to be a Get Ready With Me in Patois. On my last couple of videos, I realized a lot of people been asking like, Chev, what want for the makeup? How come I don't know makeup tutorial? I never know something that you really like the makeup tutorial. I'm like, no, you know what I'm like? I never realized. I thought I was average with makeup. So I wasn't pushing for tutorials like that. But a lot of people been asking in my last couple tutorials where I was doing like my wigs and ish, and they wanted to see me do makeup and ish. So my day so, and you know, this type of video is for my Jamaicans and Caribbean people that love hearing me talking just in my natural state in my Jamaican patois. So I'm sorry for the foreign people and the American them, the UK people and all them people that were used to me talking standard English. I'm probably lost right now. I wonder what me I say I try to read the subtitles, but our time now. Alright, okay, so I'm gonna start off with my brows, and I'll be using Benefit Brow Contour Pro. So I know me usually use my local dollar store eyebrow pencil them, but see, sometimes you just have to step up in a life. You just have to, you know, have to just work with it. You can still use a dollar store pencil. I still have mine, it's somewhere. So it's from Benefit, and it's still like, you remember them pencil and pen we used to have in a primary and high school and prep school, where you just have the different color paint them panny. So this is what this brow pencil is about, and I actually really love it. I've been using it. It have light shade, dark shade, highlight different. One bag of something. The only thing we use for it are the brown. My eyebrow them don't stay the best, so don't judge my eyebrow. My lip them dry bad. Oh god, girl. So what you do with this now, you're supposed to use the definer, but I'm gonna follow rules with this. I'm just do my own thing, and then I'm gonna draw some strokes to fill up my brow, cause it's thin but man I have no eyebrows, so I have to draw on mine. So I'm supposed to use the lighter shade for the top, but it's done. I'm gonna just go with the light shade for try to make a look archy, understand? Now my brows look more like cousins than identical sisters, and that is fine. I'm gonna leave my brow them alone. Then I'm gonna take a spoolie just to like comb it out a little bit, blend it in, smooth out the front. I know it's harsh looking right now, but we're gonna fix it. Don't worry about my brow them. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it. Now that my brows are defined, I'm going to prime my face before I actually start cleaning up my brows. So I'll be using a MAC mattifying primer, you know, just to take out some of the oil out of my skin, because my skin well oily, I have oily skin. This will help my makeup to stay on without looking like I'm ready to fry chicken and collect oil off of my face. And put some on my nose to kind of shine brighter than the sun. So to clean up my brows, I'll be using Born This Way concealer. And guys, this is Born This Way in Butterscotch. It's a little bit on the lighter side, but whatever. It's gonna blend out, it no matter. But I'm gonna have to use the same products that I use. Okay, alright. So I'm just gonna go underneath my brow with this, just to clean it up and add some of the ear underneath my brows. Now I'm going to dampen my beauty blender to blend out. So I'm gonna just blend out this. So I'm gonna go above my brows later on, but not with the same concealer because it's light. I'm gonna use a concealer closer to my foundation shade, or I'm just gonna use my foundation. So I'm going to be using my foundation, my Fenty Beauty foundation, to clean up above my brows. And I'm just going to use a little bit of that. Whoa. Yo, when you do your eyebrow, are the most nerve-wracking thing, because I feel like I'm just gonna mess it up. And I feel like this is one of the reasons why I'm not always the makeup tutorial, because I feel like my makeup don't come out as good when I do it on camera. For some strange reason. I don't know if it's the pressure of you guys watching me do this. But yeah, we're gonna see how this turn out. Alright, now it's time for foundation. So I'm gonna use NYX First Base. Now this is a liquid primer that I got from NYX. And this is especially for if you have like oxidizing foundation, which the Fenty Beauty does kind of gets a little dark after a while wearing it, so I like to use this. Boy, in my eye, boy. So make that seep into my skin. Okay, so my eyebrow them never come out exactly how I want them, but I can't bother to care right now. Sorry. So I use Fenty in 420, and me like the foundation here because the closest thing will match my skin tone. So I'm just gonna press that, dab it in or rub it into my skin. And I know so sometimes I use Maybelline, but that not match me right now. I don't know my struggle already with matching foundation, so I have to come down from my neck too, go around from my ears corner, make sure someone look copper color and me on one shade. Now that my foundation is on, it's time to do my eye makeup. So first, I am going to put some concealer on my eyelids because that's how I operate. So I'll be using the same Born This Way Butterscotch something. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender for just to blend that out. So that's going to be the base for my eye makeup. I don't even know what kind of eye makeup I do today because I don't know what makeup I put on. I just have to go with the flow. I'm not trying to move my face too much. I don't want to move my eyebrow too much because my face with foundation, it just always want, you know, full of bag of lines and things. So I feel like I want to do a brown look. So I'm going to use my Morphe palette. It's kind of look dirty. I'm going to use, excuse it, I'm going to use my Morphe palette, and this is 35M. And I'm going to just use the orange shade here for my base. Not ask me what I don't know what, but we're just gonna go with the flow. So I'm gonna try get this orange. I don't want the orange too bright. It's just a base color, I guess. May I use it for? I don't feel like I do my makeup the best that I can on camera because I'm so nervous I show you. And I'm at my nerviness. And also, if you're not looking for cut crease, I'm not gonna find it over here because I don't know if I do it good. So I won't be doing no cut crease, nothing. But just I try a thing. Alright, so I'm gonna try the brown here. I'm gonna know what name. I lose the name of the palette a long time ago. Okay, kind of dark, but I still want a brown look, right? So let's see how it's going to look. It look like somebody thumped me on my eye. I lie? It look like somebody give me a rotted thump. So I'm just gonna go up a little bit further. I'm gonna use the same orange brush to just mix the brown and the orange in the crease. Now ask me if I know me I do, I just try to see. I just know that if it never turned out good, I would have posted a video here. You would have seen this video right now. So that means that it come out looking like something. And also, I lose some of my most important brush when I went on a Valentine's Day vacation. I don't know when I buy back my brush then. I left my brush them in the hotel bathroom, and I'm gonna replace my brushes. So these are my least favorite brushes that I use. Them are not really blend good, but them I forgot work. And also this is a good practice because you know Jamaica Carnival will come in less than a month. I get in Jamaica with a bag of things. So if you're in Jamaica, I need for DM me, make me know if we're gonna link up, if we do a meet and greet, or I look for something. So make me know in the comment section if I should do something like that when I come Jamaica in April. So when I come Jamaica at the end of April, and make me know. Make me know in the comment section if I should do something. If at least 10 hours will show up, I'll do something. If not, I'm gonna stay on my yard. I'm just be honest. I joke. If at least 1 hour of me meet, I will meet at least, even if I just 1 hour. Alright, I think I look like ghost now. So I'm gonna try to blend it a little bit further up. Now I'm gonna just dip in on my Fenty Beauty. Cause I feel like I want to should I? I don't know, but I feel like I want a goldish type of glitter situation. I go on look a bit on the lid. I feel like I'm gonna want a makeup artist. I think I want an actual makeup artist do my makeup in Jamaica. I thought about just practicing and doing my own look. I don't know, maybe I should make somebody do my makeup. I was thinking of just buying some really nice glitters and things and just do my own makeup, but I don't know if I want somebody actual professional to do it. So if I don't know some bam ass makeup artists in Jamaica, we're actually doing, guys, please may I look for somebody professional. I don't want somebody where do fit them face better than how them do them client. I need it to be equal to. Alright, it's either you do your client face as good as you do your own or better. If them do anything less than that, I'm not really ramp with my eyebrow them like that. I don't want them to do my face. So recommend some good makeup artists for me. Please and thanks. Write in the comment section. And as I said, Jamaica anyway. Jamaica in a Jamaica Dream Carnival. Alright. I think I'm gonna do the gold. I don't want to go on brighter than this. Because I wanted a predominantly brown makeup look. Now I'm going to use some eyeliner. I'm going to use a NYX matte liquid liner. Now I'm not going to do no big wing nothing. Something simple. Alright, I can't do a wing for save my life. Look how I'm going to mash this up. Oh God. Whew. Oh my God, look here. Oh gosh. Watch out. Now it gone way further than how many you want it to go. Now I'm have to try and match the next side. It have to go work. I feel like I want the brown darker. So I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna go darker. I'm gonna just dab the brown right above. Oh, these lashes heavy. Why are the lashes so thick? The lashes that I'm wearing are Dramatic AF. They are from Amazon, so I will leave the link down below if you want to be as dramatic and extra as me. Oh, this one looks extra thick. Now I want some gold over the eye here. The eye want some gold because the eyelash I hide it. Okay, now it's time to conceal and contour. So I'll be using Fenty Beauty concealer, the new Pro Filler concealer, and I'm using 390. So I'm gonna just put that underneath my eye, on the bridge of my nose. And I know we have a contour the forehead because it's big. Then over that, I'm going to use the what is the name? The Born This Way in butterscotch. I'm gonna just put a little bit on it just to give that little extra highlight, but I don't use it by itself because I think it's too light for me. And then we're going to blend. Yeah, for just dab it in on my skin. And I'm gonna bring it around. I'm gonna focus especially underneath my eyes because I tend to crease under my eyes. So I'm gonna make sure my dabbing are pressed down under my eyes so it's smooth. So once everything blend out, I'm gonna use a Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my highlighted areas, and I just press it in. So I'm not going to really like stack on the powder. I'm not gonna really bake. It's mostly just to set the concealer and also to take out the oiliness out of my skin, especially if I'm afraid. And see, I'm afraid oily. Lord God, my poor forehead. So I'm gonna just do another layer, but I'm not gonna stack it on as myself, but just a second light layer. And then I'm gonna use NYX No Filter finishing powder, and I'm using the darkest shade that they have because basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contour with this. This is the shade Mahogany. I'm gonna just use it for add back some of the warmth into my skin. So I'm gonna do it here on my cheek. Well, not my cheek, what is basically for contour. Let me see what I do. And then I'm gonna put it above my forehead up here. So I'm gonna dust off. What am I saying? Dust off the excess powder. So don't worry, I'm gonna get rid of the powdery look in a sec. So I'm gonna go in again with this just to make it a little bit more warm. Not too striking, but just enough to contour-ish. And then I'm gonna go on my nose as well. And I'm gonna use a brush just to not make it look so bright. Now I'm gonna go in one more time with the Sasha Buttercup. But this time I'm gonna see some more to chip. I really need to put in my lips now if I get dry. Just to make my cheekbone look sharp. You understand? Not my cheekbone, what is its name? My jawbone look sharp, I say. I don't know what I say. Anyways, I'm so upset. Somebody missed the Buju concert in Jamaica, but as I said, I already did a good Jamaica Carnival. I'm in a rich non-tal, so I take 3-4 flights a year time to Jamaica just because I'm already there spend so much money for the carnival. Somebody missed the Buju concert, but what I get for come Jamaica for Reggae Sumfest, so I can see Buju perform. You understand? Okay, so I think it's time for my lips. Is it time? Nope, I'm not done with my eyes yet. So I'm going to do my lower lids or whatever this name. I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty what shade is Warm Brown Obsession palette. I'm gonna use this color right here. I don't know what the color name, but I'm gonna use it on the lower part of my lid. Oh, me a blind. Ooh, my eye gonna get red. Why the palette have so much fallout? Oh my god, my eyes are gonna get red, guys. Oh my god, I hate when my eyes get red. Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara up on my lower lids. Set my face now. I'm gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime. You know, OG stuff. Them have MAC store in Jamaica, so I know me about that. Alright? When I don't know, this is the ish. So that will help to take out the powdery look and give me a nice finish. I feel like I want some. If you follow me, I'm bathing at this. Now it's time for my lips. No, I do my lip combo a little bit different. Okay, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And what shade is this? This is Mahogany, and this is my lip combo. So I'm gonna put this full line my lips. I don't use a pencil because I don't think it's bright enough for me, or whatever pencil I use. You can use a brown pencil, but I really like this because it just give me that dark brown that I want. And then I'm gonna come up a little bit high on the sides to just give that pumpish illusion. And then I will be using a dollar store. Well, no, it's not a dollar store, but you can probably find it at your dollar store too. But this, I got it in my beauty supply store. It's a lip gloss. I don't know what it name. Nah, this can't focus. Jesus, it took forever focus on the thing. So this is the lip gloss from beauty supply store for 99 cents. And this lip gloss is bomb. There is no lip gloss like a clear lip gloss. Look there like a chicken grease me use for my lip. Oh gosh. So I'm gonna use this MAC. What is? It is the Oh Darling highlight. This is the Christmas edition. That's why it's in this case. But usually it's in that black MAC case. But this was a Christmas something. And that's why it's in this pretty little ensemble. Yeah, that is the end of my look. Tell me if you guys like it or don't like this look. I like this brownish goldish look with these extra read all about it type of lash. The lash I go with a bag since it look like I'm ready to take off like Air Jamaica. No lie, I think I get a little bit better with the makeup. I like, I'm gonna talk through it. I can't tell me something that improve a little bit with the makeup. I can't do my own like makeup for carnival. Like, I need like practice, yeah. But I think I can do it. Tell me if I don't think I can do it. Because for the makeup, about $150 or something like that, enough to get it for carnival and that. I could have saved $150 and just do it myself. Now this is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @DamnThatChev. And also, if you want a pendant, this is a Jamaican pendant. If you're looking for a Caribbean pendant, they have different maps of the Caribbean and I think other countries as well. I got it from Carrie Desi, so I will leave the link down below if you want your island pendant as well. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.